Arthur's point of view, Yunmin came to a special place for enjoying some quality times with each other. Yoongi wants to fulfill Jimin's every wish, and for that he took him here. Here it was too cold. Yoongi left Jimin alone in the room and went outside to check their food. There he met with a receptionist and told her to not use any alcohol in their meal. Receptionist assured him that their food will be non-alcoholic. She even told him to make perfect honeymoon plan for them. Yoongi was blushing hard all the time because of her. She thought he came here for honeymoon. When he went back to his room, he saw his little chimney already created a huge mess. He poured all the hair care products on his hairs and spread all the things on the floor. Yoongi became very furious to see him like this. He started washing his hairs, whereas Jimin started winning. Yoongi lost his all the senses to see him like this in wet clothes with rose petal were sticking all over his body. It became getting harder for Yoongi to control on himself because Jimin's mention inside is screaming and forcing him to make him his, but he is trying his best to control on himself as much as he can. He doesn't want to do anything with him because of his hormones. He knows this very well that Jimin didn't try to seduce him, but all the things happened like this. He carefully washed his hairs and took him into shower area so that he can take proper wash, but here Jimin turned the knob on the wrong side and cold water started falling. Jimin quickly hugged him tightly. His shivering lips were touching Yoongi's clothed chest. Let's see what happens next. Jimin, it's so cold. Yoongi looked at him. Of course it will be. You turned the shower's knob on wrong side, now turn it on right side. Jimin opened his eyes and saw Yoongi was hovering over him. Yoongi, what happened? Jimin, thank you. Yoongi, no need for that. I promised you to protect you from everything. Now turn the knob on right side. If you think why didn't Yoongi feel cold, then do you really think he can feel cold even after staying with Jimin? He was feeling too hot. He was standing under the cold shower. Then also he can feel sweats because of Jimin. Unknowingly Jimin makes him feel too hot. Why is this act? He needs cold water to get back into his right sense. Jimin quickly turned on warm shower. Is it fine? Yoongi, Both Yunmin were lost in each other's eyes. Warm water was flowing on them. Water comes on Jimin through the Yoongi's body. Both were completely drenched in water. Water dripping from the body and face, which makes both of them crazy for each other. Both of them in full clothes, but their shirts became see-through and hugged their bodies after drenched in water. Just then Jimin trembled a little and fell on Yoongi's waist, and his plumpy lips touched Yoongi's clothed abs, which makes Yoongi out of control and gave him so many butterflies. Yoongi, wrong move, kid. Jimin looked at him and immediately pinned him near the wall. I didn't show you my move yet, Yun. Yoongi, too stunned to hear this. Oh, really? Jimin locked his hands with Yoongi's. Yeah, really. Yoongi, what are you doing? Stop it. I can bet you can't handle me. Jimin, I can handle it. After all, it's all only mine. Only I'm the one who can handle you. Yoongi, you will regret later. Jimin, I will never. Moved closer to him. Yoongi, it's wrong. Jimin, why is it wrong? We are legally married. We can start our married life. Yoongi, you aren't ready for this. Jimin, I'm fully ready. With that, he slammed his plumpy lips on Yoongi's thin lips. Yoongi always has a craving for Jimin's lips. Finally, it's gonna fulfill now. Jimin tried to kiss him, but he doesn't know how to do it. He was only moving the lips, but when he couldn't able to kiss him properly, he parted away with big angry pout. Yoongi chuckled. It's not done like this. You already tried. Now it's my turn. Just follow my move. You have to copy me, nothing else, okay? Jimin slowly nodded his head. He grabbed Jimin's tiny waist and switched their positions. Now Jimin was pinned on the wall and Yoongi was hovering over it. He pulled Jimin's more closer to himself and tightened his grip on Jimin's waist. A soft moan escaped from his mouth and his lips parted away a little bit. Yoongi moved away a little bit to see him. Beautiful, requested part from ages. He didn't waste any time and attached his lips with Jimin's and slowly started his bottom lips. He found it the most tastiest thing he ever tasted. Jimin was feeling more crazy and he started moving his hands on. Yoongi's back. Rose fragrance were coming from Jimin's body and shower was still on. Water was dripping from Yoongi's head. It all made both of them more crazy and out of control. Yoongi was slowly and softly Jimin's lower lips and Jimin did the same with Yoongi's upper lips. Both of their lips were moving in sync. Yoongi slipped his tongue in Jimin's mouth and tasted every inch of Jimin's mouth. Both of them were in heaven. It was their first kiss. They both were never kissed before anyone. Both of them were out of clue. It was their first experience. They enjoyed it a lot. Yoongi broke the kiss after 2 minutes when they felt problem to take breath. Jimin harshly shook him. Yoon! Yoongi flinched hard. Yeah, did I hurt you? Jimin dumbfounded. Hurt me? What are you saying, Yoon? I'm calling you from so long. Where did you lost? Yoongi, what? You were calling me? Didn't we just Jimin, we just what? What did we do? Yoongi in mind. So that means it all was my imagination. I'm dreaming. Not only dreaming, I was having wet dreams. Stupid me. Shook his head in disbelief. Jimin, why are you shaking your head? What happened? Yoongi blessed hard. Nothing. You won't understand it. Jimin, what nothing? Don't forget, I have bean-sized brain. Yoongi, yeah, I know. Jimin hugged him tightly without leaving any gap between them. Yoon, hug me tightly. Yoongi immediately hugged him tightly. Is it okay? Jimin, no, I want bone-crushing hug. Yoongi hugged him more tightly. Okay, but why so sudden you won't hug? Jimin, I will tell you later. Now hug me more tightly. Yoongi hugged him tightly and kissed on his top of the head. Jimin was closing his eyes and feel the closeness between them. After 5 minutes, Yoongi broke the hug. Yoongi, are you fine now? Jimin, Yoongi, good. Now tell me, why did you want hug? Jimin, wait. Opened Yoongi's shirt's first 2 buttons and smelled. Yoongi, hey, what are you doing? Jimin, just wait na. Let me do whatever I want. Don't worry, you are safe with me. Yoongi, scared a little bit. Let you do whatever you want. What do you mean by this? Jimin, wow, it works. Yoongi, what worked? Can you please tell me anything? Jimin bent down and smelled my neck, tilted his neck. Yoongi, what? Jimin, do it na. Why are you asking so many questions? Yoongi, okay, bent a little and smelled Yoongi's neck. Jimin, how's it? Yoongi, you smelled like a rose. Jimin, and I want you also smell like rose. See, now you are also smell like rose. Yoongi smiled while little Jimmy patted his head. Jimin giggled, hee hee. Yoongi, now stop giggling and take a bath. Jimin gave his hand to him. Yeah, give me bath quickly. Yoongi, you want me to give you bath? Jimin, because the Prince of Busan doesn't do anything by himself. Yoongi, yeah, why not my Prince of Busan? He started giving him bath and Jimin enjoyed his luxury royal bath. Yoongi, are you enjoying? Jimin, so much. Yoongi, did you take shower with someone else before too? Jimin, never. Why did you pass this? Yoongi, I thought maybe with Bunny Boy you took a shower. Jimin, no, I'm too shy. Yoongi, but you aren't shy in front of me. Jimin, because you are my Yoon na. Yoongi blessed hard over his statement. Jimin, Yoon, did you take shower with anyone? Yoongi, never. Jimin, but you took shower with me, said proudly. Yoongi, who said this? I'm not taking shower. Jimin looked at him with cute angry pout. See, we are standing under the shower. It means we took shower together, na? Yoongi, stop using your bean-sized brain. Because of you, I took shower second time since we reached here. Jimin looked at his dummy. Yoon, you have abs. Can I touch it? Yoongi looked at his dummy. You can. Jimin started counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yoongi, what are you doing? Jimin, shh. Let me concentrate. 6. Yoon, you have 6 abs. Yoongi chuckled on his amused face. Yeah, kid. Jimin, I also want abs, Yoon. It looks so cool. Yoongi, but I didn't want you to get any abs. Jimin, but we. Yoongi, because I like your cute little tummy, and more importantly, you have to leave your precious food to get abs. Do you still want this? Jimin looked at him with confused, questionable eyes. What? I have to leave my precious tasty food? Yoongi, Jimin, then I don't want it. Food is life, na. How can I live after leaving it? You have abs, that means I also have abs. Because whatever is yours is mine too, and mine is already mine, said proudly. Yoongi turned off the knob. Yeah, now change your clothes, otherwise you will catch cold. Jimin looked here and there. Yoongi, now what happened? Jimin, I forgot to bring my clothes. Yoongi threw the bathrobe on him. I knew this, that's why I already hung this bathrobe here. Jimin, oh wow, Yoon, you brought bathrobe too? Yoongi, I didn't bring this. Hotel provided this. Now quickly change your clothes. Jimin, but I can't change my clothes in front of you. Go to your room. Yoongi, are you mad? Can't you see I'm fully drenched in water? I can't go inside the room like this. Change your clothes. I will close my eyes, okay? Jimin, no, I'm shy. Yoongi, irritated. Then let me change it. You keep your shyness with yourself. Jimin, scared. No, I'm doing. Why so angry? Huh? But please turn around now, please. Yoongi looked at his puppy eyes. Okay, fine. Turned around. Now change it. Jimin, while changing his clothes. Yoongi, about to turn. What happened? Do you want my help? Jimin shouts, no, don't turn around. Yoongi, okay, I'm not turning around. Stop shouting. Jimin, that's good. Yoongi, now tell me, what were you saying? Jimin, I was saying... Yeah, remembered. I was saying that I never wear any bathrobe. I always saw it only in K-dramas. I'm so happy and excited. It's so soft and fluffy. Yoongi, are you real? You got excited for bathrobe? Seriously? Jimin, yeah, but why are you giving me this reaction? I didn't see anything wrong. Yoongi, nothing. First time I saw anyone to get excited for bathrobe. Anyways, do you change it or not? Jimin, done. Now you can turn now. How I'm looking? Asked excitedly. Yoongi turned around and mumbles, mine. Again, just middle class thing. We never waste money on bathrobe and night suits. It's not like that we can't afford it. It's just we don't need it. It's just waste of money to buy these things, and we are too lazy to change clothes again and again. Am I right? Jimin, what did you say? Yoongi, nothing. Now come here. I will drop you at room. Jimin, I can walk by myself. Yoongi, yeah, I saw. How can you walk? He quickly picked him up and carefully dropped at in room's entrance. Jimin, why did you drop me here? Yoongi, because the Prince of Busan, I'm all wet, and if I entered inside the room like this, then whole room becomes slippery. Jimin, oh, you aren't coming with me. Yoongi, no, I have to clean all the mess you created by you. Jimin, what mess I created? Yoongi, just look down, you will be seeing. Jimin, look down. Oh, sorry, but why do you want to clean this? We can call room service. They will send anyone to clean this. Cookie told me that in hotel we don't need to do anything. Hotel staff will do all the things by himself. Yoongi, are you mad? What they think about us after seeing this? Jimin, what did they say? I will tell them that I spread hair care products on the floor. Simple. Yoongi, in mind, it's not as simple as you think. They will think something else which I can't explain to you. Jimin, Yoon, you again zoomed out. Yoon. Yoongi, no need to do anything. I will clean everything by myself. You just go inside. Jimin, but now how can I walk to our bed? Yoongi, by your feet, my Prince of Busan. See, you have two feet. You can walk. Jimin looked at his feet. But now I don't want to walk, nah. Yoongi, then just wait. I will remove the bathrobe. Jimin quickly ran inside while shouting, no, oh ma. Yoongi smiled. My little chimney looked at his tummy, and now I have to fix my problem which arose because of this little chimney. With that, Yoongi went inside the washroom to fix his problem. We all know what problem he was talking about, right? Time skipped after some time. Yoongi came inside the room fully dressed up and saw Jimin was sitting on the bed while covering himself with the blanket. Only his head was out, probably waiting for Yoongi. Yoongi saw him and smiled brightly. Our little Jimmy. Yoongi, why are you sitting like this? Jimin, I was waiting for you. It's so cold here. Yoongi, then why didn't you turn on the room heater? Jimin, room heater stopped working. I told you nah, they gave us defective room. Yoongi, room heater stopped working? Wait, let me check. Jimin, what do you check? I told you nah, it's defective one. Yoongi, stop saying nonsense. Did you again turn on room heater? Jimin, why would I turn on it again? It was already on when we went to washroom. Yoongi, no, I mean it was on when we went, but after few minutes he automatically turned off. Jimin, but how did it turn off when we didn't turn off it? Yoongi, it's automatic na. When there was no one in the room or room gets too much warm, it automatically turned off. Jimin, but how did it know we weren't in room? Yoongi, it has sensor. Now no more questions. Got scared by his little Jimmy's questions. He turned on the room heater and plugged the hair dryer. Yoongi, Now come here, let me dry your hair, otherwise you will catch cold. Jimin crawled towards him. Yeah, dry it soon. Yoongi started drying his hairs. Don't worry, now I am here. I won't let anything happen to you. Jimin, I know that, June. I'm still smelling like rose. Yoongi, me too. Jimin, I think here's rose are very strong. We will take them to our home. Jimmy will be very happy. Yoongi, yeah, why not? Now stop moving. Let me dry your hairs. Jimin, it already dried. Leave it. Now I wanna sleep. Let down on the bed. Yoongi tried to make him sit again, but Jimin pulled him on himself. Now Jimin was under Yoongi. They both were looking into each other's eyes. Water was dripping on Jimin from Yoongi's hairs. Yoongi, you little Jimmy, aren't you becoming brat day by day? Jimin giggles. No ways, I'm not a brat. I'm very innocent. See? Immediately pulled super innocent face. Yoongi looked at him. You an innocent? Can't possible. You learned so many bad things. Now you deserve some punishment. Jimin, no, I'm a good boy and good boys don't deserve punishments. Yoongi held his both the hands in his one hand and pinned over his head. Oh really? To be continued. Questions. How's the episode? How was Yoongi's wet dream? What punishment is our good boy Jimmy going to get? Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. How was the twist of Yunmin's first kiss? I wasn't going to write it, but I was getting too much request for their kiss, so I had to write it. We won't count it as their first kiss because it wasn't the dream. Their first kiss will be happen somewhere else and it will be the most romantic. I was just satisfied some readers. I hope you all enjoyed it. It was just a little bit romance. Whenever I will write romantic scenes, it would be super magical and full of romance which you never read before. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.